Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to reset your password on Loom. So here are the steps to reset your password on Loom. The first thing to do is to launch the Loom desktop app or go to the Loom website. Okay, let's say I want to launch the desktop app, which we have in here. And I'm going to click on home. Okay, not more options. Okay, you can click on more options and select quit to quit Loom. Right, or you just head over to home to get into the website itself. So how can you get a website? Just use loom.com on any browser of your choice. So let's say you launched Loom. So now this is the website. After clicking on loom.com, if you have an account already and you really cannot log into your account because you want to reset your password. The other point where you cannot log in and you just try to open up the new website and it takes you to the login page. Now, on the login page itself, you're going to find an option that says forgot password with a question mark link below the password entry field. So click on this link to initiate the password reset process. Then a prompt will appear asking for email address associated with your Loom account. Enter your email address and click the send reset link or a similar button. Then open your email inbox and look for an email from Loom. Be sure to check your spam or junk folder if you do not see it in your primary inbox. Open the email and look for the password reset link. Click on the reset password link in the email and this will take you to the password reset page. On the password reset page, you'll be prompted to enter a new password. So choose a strong password that meets the requirements specified. Usually includes a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Confirm your new password by entering it again in the provided field. After entering and confirming your new password, click the reset password or save button and you should receive a confirmation that your password has been successfully reset. The second step right here in the website is to head over to settings from the left navigation panel. Click on personnel. And that's going to take you here. Scroll all the way down to where you have password. Now it says I don't have a password set up yet. That's because I signed in using my Google account. So you can click on set password. And now it says an email has been sent with instruction to you. Okay, so I'm just going to pause this and head over to my mail. Now this is the mail. So now select reset password. And once you click on reset password, just go ahead and follow through the prompts to reset password. Now, I don't want to add a password because I already signed into Loom using my Google account. So I just want to leave it that way. But then click on reset my password and just follow the steps that I had given previously. Once you follow the steps, your password will be reset. So that's pretty much the process. So go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.